Unboxing Simplehuman soap dispenser. I just got this today. It comes in 3 colors, the rose gold, white, and silver. I got the rose gold here. The product comes with 2-year warranty. You can refill it with any of your liquid soap or sanitizer. It is also waterproof for easy cleaning. No drip valve and rechargeable battery that will last 3 months in a single charge. It comes with all these little piece of paper, and one of them says that if you register your new pump, you will receive a special offer. I don't know what it is. It comes with a lavender soap. I also got a white one, and it also came with a lavender soap. Here we have the charging cable. One end is USB-A, the other is a magnetic device that attached to the product. And here's our soap dispenser. It already came with a little charge, that's why it's lighting up blue and making some mechanical sounds. The outside is metal. It does have a little weight to it, which is quite nice. And that's a power button and the charging port. And this is where all the soap will go in. The inside is plastic. I'm gonna try to put on the magnetic device. Oh my god, don't move. The cable is a struggle. And it just snaps on like this. You press the power button, and when it shows red, that means it's off. When you press it again, when it's blue, it turns on. I'm going to fill this up, but first we have to make sure that it is off, so it is not going to leak during the refilling process. The refill opening is quite large, so it's easy to refill. I'm using the soap that came with the package. You can buy other scent as well. This can hold 266 milliliter, and that's 9 fluid ounce. We're going to turn it on. It will take a couple tries before the soap comes out. If you put your hand closer to the nozzle, it will dispense just a little bit. If you place it further away, it will dispense more.